Perodua Alza installed for Cogoo S series Lite, 2GB RAM with 16GB storage, IPS screen. Okay, with OEM special big screen casing, good fitting for Perodua Alza, OEM socket, power socket plug and play, and OEM styling control socket plug and play. Connect with Cogoo night view reverse camera. It's got a fixed line, yellow, green, yellow, red. Okay, and also connect with Cogoo USB DVR CG-D30. So it's got a micro SD up to 32GB SD card slot. Okay, let me show you for USB DVR. So you have to install the apps Traffic Safety, auto record when engine start, voice record on off, video record. Setting, you can playback or setting. Version, okay, all USB DVR, this one come with a simple ADAS system. You have to go version, connect with your phone hotspot and check update the new version. Okay, update the E.dot and ADAS system. Okay, Cogoo S series, go to full menu, gray color setting, turn on Wi-Fi, connect with your phone hotspot for internet, a backup and reset, blue color car setting. It's got a equalizer, preset equalizer, and a hi-fi on off here. System info, 2GB RAM, 16GB storage, IPS screen, factory setting 88888. Okay, GPS detect. So it's got a GPS antenna here. Preset volume, brightness, daytime and nighttime. Navigation shortcut, change logo and styling control. So it's got a Bluetooth function, Bluetooth call, pairing with your phone for Bluetooth call. It's got a mic input, simple reset. Okay, and click for the music icon for Bluetooth music. Share your phone music to car player. Video input and video output. Video output can connect to the headrest monitor or roof monitor. File manager. So Android player 10.1 inch, big screen, no DVD, no SD card. It's got a 2 USB slot. USB extension will put in drawer. So one put in a drawer, another one already connect with the USB DVR. Cogoo USB DVR is hidden inside. Play Store, log in a Gmail to download app from Play Store, YouTube, Waze, Spotify. Okay, phone link for mirror link function, selected phone model. You can change your wallpaper, long press. Okay, crop your picture 1024 x 600, save in gallery. Okay, Android player have to clear apps, create one by one or close all. Scroll down. When nighttime driving, you can turn off the screen. Press any way to turn it on. Clean up. Show you for radio.
That's right.
So styling control.
Now comes with 20 GB internet.
Next.
So Paul Simon, your hits anywhere, anytime. Mary 105.8.
Okay, so this is Cogoo S series Lite, 2GB RAM with 16GB storage, IPS screen. IPS screen, multi-angle view, still the same color. Okay, OEM casing good fitting, special double signal, small double signal, and OEM socket plug and play. Okay, installed by 1bis, video by Andy. Thank you.